Rivers are vital waterways that flow through landscapes, providing fresh water, habitats for wildlife, and resources for human use. Originating from mountains, lakes, or springs, they wind their way toward oceans, seas, or other bodies of water. Along the way, rivers support ecosystems, nourish farmland, and supply drinking water. They also play a key role in shaping the Earth's surface through erosion and sediment deposition. Many civilizations, such as those along the Nile and Ganges, developed around rivers, which remain crucial for transportation, industry, and agriculture today. There are more than 150,000 rivers in the world, and that's just the ones we know about. It's difficult to determine the exact number of rivers in the world. According to experts, there are 165 major rivers. These waterways are long and wide and contain large volumes of flowing water. 76 rivers are over 1,000 miles long. Today we will touch on 5 longest rivers. At number 1, Nile River. The Nile River flows over 6,800 kilometers, 4,000 miles, before emptying into the Mediterranean Sea. For thousands of years, the river has provided a source of irrigation to transform the dry area around it into lush agricultural land. Today, the river continues to be a vital freshwater resource for millions of Northeast Africans who rely on it for irrigation, drinking water, fishing, and hydroelectric power. At number 2, Amazon River. The Amazon is the mightiest river in South America. It carries more water than any other river. It is about 4,000 miles, 6,400 kilometers, long. Only the Nile River in Africa is longer. The Amazon begins in the Andes Mountains in Peru. From there, it flows north and then east through Brazil. It empties into the Atlantic Ocean. The Amazon drains about 1/3 of South America. This area includes most of Brazil and Peru, and parts of Bolivia, Ecuador, Colombia, and Venezuela. At number 3, Yangtze River, Yangtze or Yangtze, is the longest river in Eurasia and the 3rd longest in the world. It rises at Jari Hill in the Tangula Mountains of the Tibetan Plateau and flows 6,300 kilometers in a generally easterly direction to the East China Sea. It is the 5th largest primary river by discharge volume in the world. At number 4, Mississippi River. The Mississippi River is the primary river and 2nd longest river of the largest drainage basin in the United States. From its traditional source of Lake Itasca in northern Minnesota, it flows generally south for 2,340 miles to the Mississippi River Delta in the Gulf of Mexico. At number 5, the Yenisei is the 5th longest river system in the world and the largest to drain into the Arctic Ocean. Rising in Mungaragin Gol in Mongolia, it follows a northerly course through Lake Baikal and the Krasnoyarsk Dam before draining into the Yenisei Gulf in the Kara Sea. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and follow for more such topics.